People forget that it's been directed by a woman, the kind of films that Sunny has been making. If people were expecting to come to see that was never going to be the case. When I was dubbing myself, I said, oh, this sounds like Bhatt Saab. So cricket bhi khelna padega. He said, match hai na, match hai. Chakka wakka marega. Tumhe kaha, really? The response to me has been tremendous, and to the film as well. I think we've done great business in just 5-6 days since it's released. And the reaction that I have got, especially from the women and the men as well, but from the women it's been very different this time around. I mean, from embarrassing requests to all kinds of stuff. So, I mean, I think that's what Pooja had promised me before we embarked on the adventure called Jism 2, and I think she's really lived up to the promise, and I'm very thankful to her to present me in a way.
Hear the rhythm beneath inside me. Are you ready? Have I lied?
No, it does not disappoint me as an actor at all. I mean, I would love everybody to love the film, but that's not my film, you know. I am just an actor in it.
ये दुनिया प्यार की सिर्फ बातें करती है, चलती जंग पे है.
1 minute cut each in 2 love-making scenes. 1 minute is a long time. People felt disappointed about the sensual quotient, and with Sunny being there, they actually did a lot of audience went with the point of view that it's a very sex-ridden film, which it's not. It's a very emotional film, and it's not a film you can watch with logic as such. I mean, Ek Raja Tha. After that, what happens? You have to accept that. So, somewhere on the basic plot of the thing, that was the case. So people who did not question it or did not question it, accepted the emotion quotient of the movie, and it was actually a very emotional film. We were never making the kind of films that Sunny has been making. If people were expecting to come to see that was never going to be the case. It is a Hindi cinema, firstly. Secondly, the aspects of sensuality which we the kinds of touch and the places we kiss, which is a very intimate and sensual thing which has never been done on screen. I think me and Pooja, we both discussed and attempted that. But unfortunately, the censor board people said that you voluntarily cut what you want. It's not vulgar, but you voluntarily cut what you want. So then Pooja had to get into it. She said, I do not want to take it. I mean, you know, she thought it was enough, but when she saw the movie too, she felt, I think I've chopped a bit too much. And also, people forget that it's been directed by a woman. The director is a woman. So, the way a woman looks at the sexual content is very different from the way a man looks at it. The way a woman looks at a man is far more beautiful than a man looks at a woman. So, that was always going to be the case. You know, it was not some guy director with his voyeuristic thing ki ye dikha do, wo dikha do. It was never going to be that case. Pooja is aesthetically very superior person, and she would not have allowed that anyway. When I was dubbing it, I thought it was Bhatt Saab. When I was dubbing myself, I said, oh, this sounds like Bhatt Saab. You know, it was so much like Bhatt Saab, it's not funny. Bhatt Saab has put a lot of himself in Kabir's role. And it was madness. He's mad. He's mad, and he's so childlike and excited and so wise and shrewd and sharp and everything at the same time. He's a masterclass in living, I think. Only victory that I have achieved, and I think Heroine is a big film. I saw bits and parts of it while dubbing. It's a huge film. It's a very well executed film, and it's going to be a big success, and I hope people like me in whatever I have tried to do. Glamorous girlfriend in the stands and hitting a 6 for a century, playing for India to win the match is like the ultimate moment in every Indian or Pakistani boy's life, or even Sri Lankan, any cricket playing nation. So I get to do that, and I was like, that's when Madhur asked me about it. He said, ki, you know, fair then, so cricket bhi khelna padega. He said, match hai na, match hai. Chakka wakka marega. Tumhe kaha, really? I got sold on the role just with that. I said, yeah, this is the dream I want to live through, even if it's not real. Madhur has got his own way too, and you feel like you're not working. You feel like he's not paying attention. You feel like this, but he's got it down pat, man. The movie is about the heroine. The movie is about the heroine, and I had no illusions about that. It is about the heroine, and she's done a fantastic job, I mean, of what I have seen. As I've said it many times, she's a perfect combination of looks and talent. She's got enough in both doses, and it's just great. She's very arresting.